This is a guide on Comic Life, where you can make your own comic strips. Quick and easy, quite good fun, you can do it by yourself, and the software is all on your computer. Now, for first time users, this is quite helpful. So you have to open it first. Applications, Comic Life. There you go. It's easy to find. Speech bubble, Comic Life inside. It's quite good. Now, it'll come up blank, and you'll have your pages at the side. This is a panel. See this? Panel. You can change the size, you can change the width, you can move them, you can spin them. And you just press delete on your keyboard to get rid of them. Now you may be wondering where the templates have gone. Drag these down. So, in making your comic strip, usually the first thing you have to do is, pick a template. And you've got all these templates from A to Z. Although you've got some double A's and BA's and stuff like that, which is just some extra ones. I don't really know what they're for. Actually, they are templates, I know what they're for. Here's your first template. Now, as I said with this thing, the drag panels, rotate them, move them, size them, all that. Now, usually the first thing you have to do is pick a character. Now, you can do this. Sorry to say, they don't have any default characters. So what you have to do is you go on the internet. Here's one I found. His name's Bob. He's a robot. You copy, paste. You size him up so he fits the box, and then you click him inside the box, and that'll let you change his size. Now if you want another one, copy, paste, and there'll be two. But you can only have one in a box at a time, sorry to say. Because if you put another one in, the other one will disappear. There you go. Your two Bobs. Now, you usually need a title, eh? So, there's this thing down here called lettering. It's really good. Drag it up, write something, change the font if you like, maybe something quite funky. We've got hundreds of fonts. You can change it from bold to, all these. I'm gonna change the font to this. Okay. Write the words. You can either click the enter key on your keyboard or place lettering. Now it'll place it somewhere. And you can use these blue things to change it. Like this. Watch. And then you use this. The circle to place it. Double click to change the word. And just click on it. Maybe there. Change the size. Spin it round. Etc. And then place it there. Now. Your character, obviously, is going to be able to speak, isn't he? So you can either use this, which is a box, and you just write your words like, hey, Bob, nice to meet. Sorry, I'm just using, click. Click outside of it, and that's your box made. Click on it, make it bigger, maybe move it around, spin it a bit, jiggle it a bit. You can even change the size of the lettering, because there's a button up here. It says bigger, obviously, and it's an A with an arrow going up. So click on it, bigger, bigger, big, 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 big. You can also make it smaller with the button next to it. You can make it tiny. I can't really read that though, so there. Same with speech bubbles. Click, hey, I'm Bob's mate Jim. click to the side. See this bit here though? This bit moves it instead. You can make it bigger, change the size of the letters, move it. Now, that there is the blue thing. The blue thing moves, you know, the bit where the speech comes from. So like, you've got the little tab, and you've got the big speech. That's basically where the speech bubble starts. See that? Where I've got my mouse. Click on that, it adds them. It adds all these speech things, so click on it. Well, you have to hold it to drag it, obviously. Oops! Sorry, ignore that. Technical hitch. But yeah, you drag them, you drag them, you drag them to wherever. Sorry, wherever you feel like they should go. So Bob could be Jim. Bob's mate, Jim. Jim could be maybe speaking from 4 different places. Now, that looks quite boring, eh? Okay. If only there was a background. Well, let's have a look, shall we? Click on it. Well, nothing really happens, but if you click on it, it still works. Style. Style. It's got all these. I like tropic. I'm gonna have tropic. But it's got burnt sky, crimson, dago green, golden rod, metal, parchment, purple, all of that. It's quite good. I like it. But I think I'll go with tropical. Tropic. Whatever it's called. Tropic! Yeah, tropic. Here's my background. That's it, to be honest. Click on the box, you can change the style inside the box. So maybe you can change there to be a glow outside. You can change it to a rounded off, you know, greyish colour inside. You can change the one at the top to a blue glow on the outside. You can change it to the old scroll so it looks like a scroll. That's how they do it, it's quite clever. All that stuff, you can change them all to different ones. I want this one. Maybe home sweet home. See, it's quite clever really. Now, how to get another page. All you have to do to get another page is click on another template. So I'm going to go for G. There, another template. Quick and easy. And then see on the side, page 1, page 2. And you can click on these Q, O. Then you've got page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7. All that. Now, you're going to need to know how to save it, aren't you? So, saving's pretty easy. You know how on like Microsoft Word and stuff like that, you've got File, Edit, View, Page, Format, Arrange, Help. File, Save As. Maybe I'll go into my server, in a folder. Bob the Robot. Save. Ta-ting! If you didn't hear that, it goes ting, then you know it saved. Click off, and then you go on there, IT, Bob the Robot. There you go, easy. Shall I show you one I made earlier? It's quite cool. It's called Jim the Strawberry. Well, it's for homework. Quite cool. See, I've got my writing, double click. That's my character, he's called Jim. I can annotate, no, not annotate, I can move it, etc. I've got another page. I've got my speech bubbles, my different shaped words. Page 3 is just some strawberries. I've saved it, I've not changed anything. Click. Actually, I have. I'll just click no because it doesn't really matter because I'm not really a very big change. So there we go. Pretty easy, eh? That's what I thought. Nope. Say bye to Bob. There. That should keep you up to date with how to work Comic Life.